Hi, and welcome to this course where we'll get hands on building chatbots with Dialogflow, Google's artificial intelligence based platforms for configuring and building chatbots. Let's take a look at what you learn in this course. We'll start off with the first module where we look at the big picture. We'll see what chatbots are, where they are used, how they can be useful, and we'll especially look at Dialogflow, formerly called API.ai. We'll explore its website in detail, see the various integrations and the people that use Dialogflow, and then we'll finally sign up and set up our Dialogflow account. In the second section, we'll get our hands dirty and actually set up our chatbot agent and configure it. We'll talk about the various interaction models in chatbots. We'll understand what agents, intents, entities, contexts all refer to, and how they're important and how they can be used in order to configure our chatbot. You'll get familiar with the Dialogflow user interface. We'll see how to have conversations and use the test pane on the right of our screen in order to have these conversations and test how Dialogflow responds. We'll specifically work on a trip planner application which allows you to book rooms and book cars. You'll see how to have a natural, free flowing conversation with your bot and give it all the information that it needs in order to fulfill your request. You'll see all the information that's passed in to the bot in terms of context, the intent, the action that it has to take, and the parameters that it needs to receive in order to fulfill your request. Once we've understood the various interaction models in which Dialogflow works, we'll then see how we can conduct long running, meaningful dialogues. We'll see how linear dialogues work, which serve to get all the information that is needed to fulfill the user's request. We'll also see non linear dialogues. These manage branching conversations, where you call another intent based on what the user's previous response was. We'll build on the same example, the trip planner that we've used earlier. This time we'll set up some support functionality or feedback functionality for hotel rooms. And based on whether the user liked the location and facilities of a hotel room, we'll tailor our responses and the intents that the user's response matches accordingly. In the last and final module of this course, we'll see how we can configure fulfillment using an external web server. We'll talk about webhooks and integrations. This is the code that runs on an external server, which Dialogflow calls, which the parameters that it has collected from the user in order to fulfill the user's request. We'll come to fulfillment at the very end because it's an entirely different section. Interaction models have a whole bunch of configurations that you need to understand before you can understand fulfillment. Dialogflow offers a variety of options for fulfillment. We're going to write some code in Python and host it on the Heroku platform, and then configure Dialogflow to call into that code. We'll use the Open Weather Map API to find the weather at the place that we are planning to visit, all part of our trip planner application. We'll host our Python code on Heroku. You can use any application platform to host this code. Google's Dialogflow also recently offered Cloud Function. This is an inline editor that is part of your Dialogflow configuration setup, and you can write code directly using that inline editor. We'll also see an example of that, but typically people will have run code running on an external platform, and Heroku is an example of just that. Once we have our chatbot set up end to end, it's time for integrations. We'll look at one click integrations available with a variety of platforms, but the example that we'll work with is Slack. We'll set up a bot on Slack, which allows you to look at weather forecasts. You can simply type in within your Slack application what the weather will be like at the destination that you're visiting, and you'll get the response right there within Slack. You'll see how easy it is to perform these integrations. Just involve setting up the credentials right between Slack and Dialogflow so that they can talk to each other. This course should give you everything that you need to get started building chatbots using Google's Dialogflow.